In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and connect an email address to your GoDaddy domain name. By the end, you'll have a professional email that uses your own domain, ready for business and easy to manage. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, look to the top right and open your profile menu. From there, choose My Products. This takes you to a dashboard that lists everything tied to your account, including domains, websites, and email services. Find the websites plus marketing section associated with your domain. Open it and click Manage. This brings you into the main controls for your site and related services. Here, look for the option labeled Email and Setup. Select that to begin creating the new mailbox. Now you'll configure the email details. Start by confirming the correct domain is selected so your new address uses the right web address. Next, choose a username, the part that comes before the @ sign. Pick something clear and professional like info, hello, support, or your first name, depending on how you plan to use the mailbox. Then set the display name. This is what recipients will see in their inbox when you send messages, so use a name or brand that looks polished and recognizable. Create a strong password for the account. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything easy to guess and keep it stored somewhere secure. A strong password helps protect your inbox and your brand's reputation. You'll see a field called Send Account Info to. Enter an existing personal email address you can access right away. GoDaddy uses this to send confirmation details and recovery information, which is helpful if you ever need to reset your password or verify the account. Double check that address for typos. When everything looks good, click Create. GoDaddy will begin provisioning your mailbox. This can take a few minutes, and you'll receive an email at the address you provided with setup details and confirmation. If you don't see it after a short while, check your spam or junk folder just in case. That's it. You've created and connected a professional email address to your GoDaddy domain. From here, you can return to the email and setup area anytime to manage settings, add more mailboxes as your team grows, or update your display name. Enjoy sending and receiving messages that match your brand and inspire confidence with every email you send.